This video is a general step-by-step guide for running the Acro Biosystems Human Th1/Th2 Cytokine Kit. We are running Human Th1/Th2 Cytokine Kit to quantitatively determine 6 different cytokines including IL-2, IL-4, IL-6, IL-10, tumor necrosis factor alpha type, and interferon gamma in serum, plasma, or cell supernatant. Protocol information is available at www.acrobiosystems.com. Just type Th1/Th2 cytokine in the search bar and refer to the datasheet file on the website prior to use. The first step in the operation process is the calibrating. Reconstitute with 500 microliters of DI water to get a 10 microgram per ml of calibrator stock number 1. Dissolve at room temperature for 15 minutes and gently mix to ensure complete dissolution. Based on our manual, you will need to prepare 1x assay buffer. Aspirate 20 milliliters of the 2x assay buffer. Mix with 20 milliliters of deionized water to make a 40 milliliter 1x assay buffer. Mix gently. When preparing the washing buffer, use a test tube with a screw cap and add 3 milliliters of the 10x wash buffer to 27 milliliters of DI water to make a 30 milliliter 1x wash buffer solution. Mix gently, then the reagent is ready for use. Next step is to prepare the bead suspension working solution. Transfer 4.8 milliliters of the 1x assay buffer into a new 15 milliliter microcentrifuge tube. Vortex the bead suspension rigorously for no less than 30 seconds. Immediately transfer 40 microliters of each bead to this microcentrifuge tube one by one. Then the bead suspension working solution is ready for use. Finally, we need to create the standard curve. First, you will need to add different volumes of 1x assay buffer into each tube. Check with the instruction manual to make sure the volume is correct. Take 100 microliters of the 10 microgram per ml calibrator stock number 1 to the first tube. To prepare a solution with a concentration of 1 million picogram per ml. Mix liquid by repetitive pipetting. Afterwards, take 100 microliters of the 1 million picogram per ml reagent to the second tube to prepare a solution with a concentration of 100,000 picogram per ml. Gently mix. For the subsequent tubes, follow the diagram to perform the corresponding calibrator dilution.